Ha Melanie agus Sophie bhó skipan a halpa ag geman a choláis is seo choir drast.
Agus sin is an becan jólis bharach go choráda agus leis sin sin dulchlaigh shit no show.
So Melanie and Sophie, we want to get to know you a bit better. So we're going to play a game of this or that.
The first one is sweet or savoury.
Sweet for me. Yep, me the same. I'm always sweet.
I'm a savoury girl.
There's a divide there.
Yeah, we're savoury. Team savoury. Books or films?
I love a film.
Yeah.
And I'm addicted to reading. Books are always better.
Books are always better. I've
Yeah.
never once watched a film that the book wasn't better for.
Absolutely.
100%
Right,
agree.
you've got a pal there, Becca.
Got a pal. Early
Give me a chance to read one.
Okay, sorry, Zach.
Thank you. Early bird or night owl?
Yeah, I'm definitely more of an early bird. I'm also an early bird. I like to be in my bed early too, so my sleep is precious.
Is that because you've got training on early in the morning?
Yeah, recovery is key.
Yeah, I mean, that totally makes
Definitely.
sense. Crisps or chocolate?
Definitely chocolate for me, even though I'm lactose intolerant, but that doesn't count.
Love that.
That's like Becca.
Doesn't
Sounds
count.
like me.
You love chocolate and cheese.
They don't count.
And I'm a self-confessed chocoholic, so even like a little square a night, that just gets me back.
You need it to get through.
I need that for crisps. One packet.
Zach's addicted to crisps. So am I, to be fair, but you're also addicted to crisps.
It's needed. Ha Melanie agus Sophie bhó skipan a halpa has choiríonn in studio.
Agus sin becan gaelic einsoch go gabh. 3, ga, hen.
Sin CBBC ALBA. Taing bhór an díos achar sona bhí seo choiríonn nach.
Thank you so much for coming in with us. We've absolutely loved having you here, and we just hope everything goes really well for you guys.
It's been an absolute pleasure.
Has.
Good luck.